Hey Nailiaddicts, welcome to my channel and welcome if you're new. A couple of weeks ago, I was on Facebook and WhatsUpBeauty had an advertisement that they were having an 80% off sale. Now I've seen this sale last year and I went on the website, I put some things in the cart, but by the time I remembered, everything was like sold out, so I never did get a chance to order from them. I don't know if you have ever been on WhatsUpBeauty.com, but they sell everything from nails to makeup, accessories for nails and makeup. And it's pretty popular among people that use regular lacquer nail polish. That 85% off sale was really good. I picked up several things. I think I ended up only paying maybe $85 and I got a lot of stuff. I got stuff as cheap as 79 cents. So this is my haul. This is my first time ever ordering from them. I would encourage y'all to check their website out. This is not sponsored or anything, but I think y'all will find a lot of stuff that is really surprising that they carry. And they also carry stamping plates too. So sit back, relax, check out my unboxing. Yes, some of the items are turned upside down because of the way I was filming, but you get the gist of it. You can still read it. And I'm going to be quiet for a little bit. I'll come back in later because I'm going to be testing out some of these products and doing some swatching. So I'll pop back in a little bit later. here's an item that I thought was super interesting. It's these stencils. They kind of remind me of the French tip stencils that I got from off Temu that I could never work. Let me know if y'all tried those. I have the hardest time using those. But these, they stuck a little too good. As you can see, I had a hard time peeling it off. Nonetheless, I really like the way these worked. And I definitely would consider getting some more when they're back on sale. These were only like less than $1 a piece. Okay, I knew about WhatsUpBeauty having stamping plates from a YouTuber, and I want to say her name is Nail Stampology. And this particular plate, I specifically remember seeing her use this plate, and because of that bunny rabbit on there. So I got this plate because I thought it was cute too. But let's see how long it takes me and you to figure out what I'm doing wrong and why I can't get this stamp to work. Nailiaddicts, did y'all see what the issue was? I forgot to take off the plastic. Usually the plastic on the plate is blue. This one was clear. I left that in because I thought that was so funny. I scraped that plate more times than what I actually recorded before I finally figured out that it had clear plastic on it. Okay, Nailiaddicts, these are a few designs that I came up with testing out both of the plates. I will be getting back to these plates a little bit later. I've got some more ideas, especially with Easter and spring just around the corner. Thank y'all so much for watching my video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.